What's up mga ka-journey? Next, let's dip the chicken to the flour. Try to spread it all over the part of the chicken. And now let's dip it to the egg. Try to coat it nicely. Something like that. And then let's put it back again in the flour. Coat it again. Put it on the side. Process. Put 2.5 spoons of flour. Mix it and dissolve it into the water. Mix it well until it became like this. Put a half cup of water to the seasoning and chicken broth that we mixed before, and put butter. Mix it until the butter dissolves. After 1 minute, we can flip the flour that we mixed with water. Mix it. Just cook the gravy at least 3 to 5 minutes. It's up to you how much thick do you want for your gravy. And now your gravy is done. Just put it on the side. Bang! Into this process, we need to put lots of oil because we're gonna do a deep fry. open up. Before you put the chicken, make sure the oil is hot enough. Try to control the fire so your chicken will not get burned. After 5 minutes, you can flip on the other side. There we go. After 10 minutes of cooking, JinAa's's crunchy and crispy fried chicken is done. Game over! Surprise! How you doing? Attack! Annyeonghaseyo! Saranghamnida! Masarap!